I'm trying to make you a whole thirst trap for summer, bro, which means I want you to dress sexier. And to do that, I'm gonna give you 6 tricks any of you can deploy with the clothing you already have now. Let's hop into this. Number 1, expose more skin. This is simple, this is easy, you should already know. It's our time to shine, boys, right? The sun's out, the thigh's out. We already know that. Show them legs, show them forearms, show the biceps. Yo, show that chest, especially with like a tank top. It's tank top season for us, bro. It's short season for us, bro. Why are you not taking advantage of this? You should have been training all winter long on them legs, on them quads, bro. That teardrop should be on point at this point. Now is when you expose that. That's gonna make you sexy. Number 2, wear pearls. It's in, bro. It's in and it looks good. I'm not gonna lie, especially with that exposed chest. You know, you get the masculine vibes, but then you add a little bit of that pearl action into the chest game. It adds a little femininity to it. Yo, the mix is dangerous. Right? The mix is powerful. The sexiness, it's palpable. You should be deploying this. And I'm gonna be honest with you, the pearl thing is probably a trend. Who knows how long it's gonna last, which means don't spend a lot of money on it. If you wanna give it a shot, see if it works for you, I always recommend our sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. See, Rose Gold and Black is the go-to spot when it comes to jewelry for men. Any type of jewelry, where you want the classic stuff. Right now I'm wearing a simple rope silver chain from them. You want the watch, you want the rings, you want the bracelets, you want the pearls. They literally got you covered with every single style of jewelry that's out there. So there's something for everybody. And what I love about Rose Gold and Black, they're not gonna make you break the bank. They're not gonna charge you hundreds of dollars. No, every piece of jewelry is affordable, so you can actually give it a shot. You can try it out yourself and see how it feels. And for this season, boys, pearls are in. Rose Gold and Black just dropped the pearl collection, both an entirely white necklace and bracelet collection, and then there's one that has like beads of color, which I kind of dig, right? It adds a little more character to it. But if you're just starting out, I'd probably go with the all-white model, as you're seeing here, and it looks simple, bro. It's so easy, and it's that one extra spice that it's unexpected, right? Not everybody's doing it just yet, and it's a trend that you can try yourself. So Rose Gold and Black is running the end of financial year sale right now, which means the entire store is anywhere from 45 to 50% off. So everything you're gonna see on that link, it's jewelry pieces that I already own, like this necklace, like the pearl necklace that I have as well. So you can also get them and start deploying them in your wardrobe, but you're gonna get them at a discounted rate. Not to mention, they're also giving you a free gift. For every order that you place today, you're gonna get a free gift, whether that's a bracelet or a necklace that's usually limited edition that can run you anywhere from like 30 to 60 bucks. You're getting that completely free. Again, if you're gonna get 45 to 50% off, click the link down below. This is their end of financial year sale, which is not gonna last long. Number 3, mix in a low cut tank, right? This is the move that I'm loving for summer right now. These low, and you can get them cheap from Hanes. Make them a layering piece. I'm not telling you to just use this. Make them a layering piece. They're light, they're breathable, and they show just the right amount of chest gain. This is what I was talking about with my previous tips, right? This low cut tank takes both of those tips into action, where you're showing off the skin, you mix in the pearls, and then you add a layering piece. This could be a light linen. It could be a knitted polo. It could be a light shirt jacket. You got so many options where you can now start layering in the summer, and I'm telling you, you'll feel cool. Like, it doesn't feel like you're hot or claustrophobic, and now you got this refreshing look that looks insanely sexy. 4, wear a feminine fragrance. Look, if you want to be a sex appeal, you want to be sexier to women, you got to give them something that they recognize. This is why I love feminine fragrances, because when you use a fragrance that has feminine notes in them, it's like they're smelling something that's relatable to them. So instantly, they have more trust, right? There's this trust connection just off of that olfactory sense, because it reminds them of something. And then on top of that, it also adds social proof. Like, why does this dude smell like a girl? Probably because he has a bunch of girls around him. This is one of those tips that not many men deploy that's gonna make you sexier. 5, upgrade the sneaker game. Look, yo, shoot, I'm wearing sneakers right now. I love sneakers. I have a bunch of them, but the truth is, you can't be so one-dimensional, right? Sneakers are great, but there's other footwear out there. You got the loafers, you got the moccasins, you got the dress lace-ups, you got the boots, you got the dress boots. You got so many options out there. Don't limit yourself to just sneakers, because I promise you, once you start exploring other ones, your fit game is going to go out the roof. Which ultimately takes us to number 6. Wear soft fabrics. This one's your go-to right here. When you wear soft fabrics, you become touchable, right? Let's say you get everything else done right in this video. You got everything on point. Now you got the girl next to you. Now you got the girl up close and personal. Now she's feeling you up. Why do you think girls love taking your sweaters? The chunky stuff, the comfortable stuff, right? Because they like that. It makes them feel like they're a part of you and it's comfortable. The same thing happens when you're wearing them silky, soft fabrics. Bro, you're wearing those soft fabrics, you become a sex appeal. You add everything else into it and she's touching you. Yo, you think she's gonna wanna keep her hands off of you? Of course not, bro. Of course not. And that's basically it for this 6 video, guys. Those are 6 easy style tips you can do right now with what you have already. It's gonna make you sexier. That's it for your boy. See you next time.